A calendar is an important part in our life. So yes guys, today we are gonna make a calendar. So hey guys, welcome back to Codes. Today we are gonna make a calendar in Python means Google Colab. So let us start. So the first main thing will be opening Google Chrome and taking our main ID. And then we need to just search Google Colab. So yes, we have everything down there. colab.research.google.com. I give the link of it in every video. So now I don't want this one. I want another account. So I'll just change the account. So guys, in last video we saw adding two numbers. So today we are gonna see a calendar. So yes guys. So let us start. So yes guys, now we need to do some main things. So the first code we will enter will be import. IMPORT. So what will it do? It will import a thing. So now it will import a calendar. So now when you want a calendar, so it will import a calendar. So now we'll just enter it 2 times. Then we'll write year is equals to int, means integer form. Then bracket open close, input means it will give it a question. Then as it performs input, so what in the input it should show. So it should show what are we gonna make? A calendar. So it should show a calendar. So now we should enter the year. So yes, now this code is completed. So now we will just take it. We'll just copy it. Just a minute. Yep. Now we'll just copy it. Control C, enter. Sorry, backspace Control Z. Enter Control V. So yes, now we will just write month here. Now we'll write MONTH, month, and the variable also should not be the same. We need to change the variable to month. So now we'll just enter it once more, 2 more times. So now I'll just write my cal. So it is the variable now. So now we'll write calendar, CALENDAR, calendar dot month, bracket open close, year, 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 comma, month. So now around our codes are just completed. Now we will write print, bracket open close, my cal. So again, now we'll just perform it. So first I'll just press on connect button, the connect button, and now it will connect. Then I think so I'll initialize, then connect it. Now we will just press on this, run this. Now year, okay, we'll just give it a leap year 2020. So now the month will be February. Yes, so our calendar is ready. So now yes guys, that was all for today. If you like such content, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So yes guys, that's what was all for today. Tata and bye.